Hello, students. This is the exam season, and everybody is actually trying to read many concepts in mathematics, science, Telugu, English, mother tongue languages, many subjects. And the very important factor which makes you more competent is your registration power and the memory power, right? I think you agree with me. Correct. So now, see, across India, we have the examinations of state boards as well as central board as well as ICSE board, and of course plus two also, plus one, plus two also, the exams are going on. So what is that I'm going to talk to you today? Let us look at it. Once again, hello students, and welcome to this particular session. And it is going to be very interesting. Let us look at what I'm going to tell. Yes. Yes, what do you see now? What do you see in this particular video is that you see an what you call a left brain and a right brain, which is actually rotating, right? So you see here, so there is a left brain as well as right brain. It is told, and scientifically it has been observed, that left brain is for logical reasoning, right, and right brain is for creative thinking, right? So this is what makes both brains together function. If they function good, that means you are in a position to memorize properly, and as well as and register many things. And what is the benefit that you get out of this? See, suppose say I want to remember 2 twos are 4, okay, 9 fours are 36. It is not the question of how I remember and how much I remember. It is a question of recollecting and registering when required. So immediately my brain should say, oh, at this portion, 9 fours are 36 is registered. Now, how is it possible? I cannot keep an item and then insert into the brain like this. So 9 fours are 36, go here, 2 to the 4, go here. I cannot say that. But there are certain practices which will keep us, or which will enhance our registering capacity rather than memorizing, literally memorizing. That means mugging up, that means by hearting. We should try to actually keep it away, but some cases it is becoming a memory game. So in that also, let us actually try to understand in what way we can actually make the left brain and right brain both function together, and happily we can register many things, right? So let's go to the next slide. What is the next slide available? Oh, what is given? Let's look at some brain games. I'm saying here brain games, right? What are those brain games? Let me actually come out. Yeah, now you are with me. So in these brain games, they're very simple. They're very simple. But you have to practice along with me, and whatever I do, you actually try to do, and in your friend circle, try to make these exercises and get fun out of it. And without your knowledge, without your consciousness, your registration power, your memory power will going to enhance like anything. Wow, that's really wonderful. Now see the first memory game. I am going to show you the first brain game. See, now I have two hands like this. With another hand, see, now right hand is the better, right? So there is a little, the brain gets little confused. What is happening here? When you say this, what is happening here? The brain gets confused. But actually, what is happening is there is a lot of association and correlation between these two minds. Left brain and right brain. See, when I'm making a video, making this video, for me, this is a mirror image. So for you, try to understand which is right brain and left brain. That's it. Okay. Now let's go to the second one, please. What is the second one? I think everybody knows this, very simple, but I hold my hand, two hands like this, right? One, two, 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 one. Sometimes, after certain times, I get little, over. But let me show you how I do it faster, right? One, two, 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 one. Isn't it fun? Yes, it is fun. Okay. Now see the third one. Let's come to the third one, please. Two fingers like this. One, two, one, two, one, two, one, two, one, two. I'm going up the ladder. I am successful, I'm able to read the entire content happily within the time period, within the stipulated period. I am happy now. I'm being motivated. Yes. This is another one. So we have seen three. Now let's look at the fourth one. What is that? See? Wow. This is not that easy. But see, I had to do a lot of practice in this. Try to do this activity. Try to do this activity is also beautiful activity. It actually tries to keep your energy levels very, very high. Okay. The last one we'll see, like this. And I circle and I make a circle with the right hand as a God blesses us, right? And this one like this, as we are actually what do you call a diya, right? So now put together, can we do like this? this is this is harder. This is very, very tough. Okay, right. This is a basic video. I'll come with some more interesting memory games, brain games, registration capacity. In the next video, we will see what is that particular what do you call technique in which we can easily remember certain bullet points, certain suppose say parts of the human body, many things. We will try to suppose in a social studies we have historical, time frame. Okay, timeline will be there. So such and such year, such and such war has taken place, like that. So we will see in what way we can actually memorize them or register them with a beautiful technique given to this particular world, this cosmic world. Okay, bye bye, see you, and see you in the next video. Bye.